Vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, regenerative braking system, rear fog light, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, real-time traffic, overhead console, rear floor mats, trip odometer. Elegant, functional, nimble, and the list goes on. It is impossible to limit the attributes of the Audi Q7 to just a few. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.